So we made it, a final stage of the Tekno SCT410SL build, bolting on the final few pieces now, so on we go with Kit Bag O. Much of this bag is aimed at the body mounts, with two being included in the package. Note that they are clearly labelled with the letter F and R, indicating which is the front and which is the rear. Begin by attaching a body mount onto the top of each of the 4 supplied body posts, with a single 14mm buttonhead screw in each. Bear in mind you're going into the side with the indentation. Repeat for each of the 4 posts. With those done, lower one body post into the front body mount, so the one labelled F, and secure into place with another 14mm buttonhead screw going in from the front, with the stock position being the second hole from the top on the body post. Repeat on the opposite side. Complete the same process on the rear body mount too, again using two 14mm buttonhead screws, although this time stock position is the top hole in the post. I also like to keep the post screws facing outwards just to make any future adjustments easier. Both body mounts are now ready to be installed onto the main truck body. So with that said, lower the front body mount into place and secure into position using 4 14mm buttonhead screws, going into plastic here, so these only need to be snug with no need to over tighten. It's the exact same process with the rear, so with the R letter facing outwards, secure into position onto the shock tower using another 4 14mm buttonhead screws. Again, a nice snug fit is all that's needed. Finally, we need to install our front bumper, although I've noticed an error here, so it's out with the 2 top screws and into their correct locations instead. Now making way for the bumper mount, which can be secured using 2 25mm buttonhead screws here, after which we can place the main bumper into position and secure with 2 10mm flathead screws from below, 2 6mm buttonhead screws going into the front bottom, and finally 2 14mm buttonhead screws into the very front of the bumper and into the bumper mount. And with that, bag O is complete. Now we do have bag P remaining, but it's such a small addition that really should have just been included with bag O. It consists of a plastic battery strap which hooks onto the servo mount one end and then lowers into the previously installed screw on the other. A battery strap thumb screw complete with O-ring installed to secure the battery strap down into place, 4 wheel hexes, and 4 body clips. Otherwise, that's it. Tekno SCT410SL build complete. You will find some extra spare parts used for further customization should you feel the need to do so, but as for the stock build, everything came together perfectly well. No issues whatsoever. So another really nice Tekno RC kit to build here. Just like other kits we've built, I really can't fault the build process in any way. All that's left is for electronics to be mounted and set up, a body to be added, and the wheels to be installed. But for now, that's our SCT410SL build complete. Whether you're a pro or a complete beginner to builds like this, it's yet another Tekno RC vehicle that's well recommended.